love. So today we're going to do some sort of tutorial. I'm sure you will have seen the preview in the beginning, but honestly sitting down, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I wasn't even sure what palette I wanted to use, but I think we're going to go with the festival palette. So it's probably going to be something bright. I'm thinking maybe teal. I don't know. I guess we'll see. All right, so we are just going to jump in, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. Okay, so I already have my base on. I went ahead and put on my base in my brows because it's the same as it always is. Right now I have on the Revolution Conceal and Define in 0.7, the Tarte Shape Tape in Porcelain Beige, I think. And my brows are Anastasia Dip Brow in Blonde. Feel that I'm like questioning all of my choices. Blonde. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. I've been completely obsessed with this Cover FX palette. Yeah, it's so good. I've used it every single day since I got it. So I'm gonna go with the contour in here. I have the craziest widow's peak. It is Loud and Proud today. Straight across bangs are so much maintenance that I've just like, when I don't feel like dealing with it, I just put them back. We're gonna use this little Lumi blush. You guys know these are my favorite right now. These are from Shop Miss A. They are $1. This one is in Delicate Pink. I'm gonna go back in here for the highlight. I think I'm just going to, I like to mix these two and then go back in with the brightener. The brightener is much more my tone, but this gives it just a little bit different. And I just go back and blend a little bit with this guy. I like to tap over my highlight with a damp beauty sponge just to kind of seal it in and blend it and like mesh it into the skin, melt it into the skin, I guess. So we're gonna use this beautiful guy today. I think we're gonna start with this guy. I always hate blue looks on me though, so I'm a little nervous, but I want to do something a little bit different today. I just got a new blue palette from Revolution. Maybe I should pop that guy out and see what that's, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so this is the Reloaded Deep Dive palette. I think I might go into this guy and see how this guy does. Should we start with this guy? A little nervous. Whoa. Okay, yeah, there we go. I just went to the cream shade in that Profusion palette and I'm just putting that on the brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna take that same blue shade, or teal shade I guess, and put it on the lower lash line. Mix this one with a tiny bit of this one. I'm just going to keep that on the outer corner out here just to deepen things up just a little bit, but I don't want it to go too deep. That's why I'm mixing them. I'm taking just the darker shade and tapping it on the outer corner out here, add a little extra depth. And again, just mixing those two. I'm gonna take them on the outer corner just right out here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this one. I'm just gonna tap it on the lid, just going ham, going for it. I'm going to put this one kind of in the center of the lid because I'm going to put the slightly lighter one from the other palette right on the inner corner. So we're just popping this. You could always mix. You don't need to use both palettes. I'm sure you can make this work. I'm just being extra. It's who I am. And I have them both sitting right here. So I'm just playing. And I like using my fingertip with shimmers from both these brands. Honestly, any sort of metallic shadow, I would rather use my finger. It's going to get way more pigment. It's going to just like make it stay too. Okay, now we're going to go into this guy. Oh, so frosty, so pretty. I'm just going to pop that right in here. So metallic, look at that. Ooh, don't let that first Profusion shadow fool you. They are good at what they do. Look at that. Oh, she's so pretty. The shadow, not me. I'm not that conceited. I think I am going to take this like pearly, well, let me see how light it is. I'm going to put this in the inner corner. See how that goes. I'm just gonna take this black ochre liner and put it right on the outer edge, just a tiny bit, because I am gonna do a wing, so that way it'll be connected all around the eye. I just prefer to do that. So I'm just taking a tiny bit. This thing is so pigmented, you need just the smallest bit out here. Okay, I guess we're gonna use my second favorite liner, which is the Revolution Renaissance Flick. I thought this for, it feels like so long, I used it so much and it's still kicking. Every time I use this, I end up with the most bold wing. I like can't control it. Okay, I think I'm gonna use Jean today because I'm feeling a bold lash. This is from Shop and Say. These are $1.55. Absolutely love them. Jean, so good. When I want a dramatic lash, this is the one I go with. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara and these lashes and I'll be right back. Okay. So this is what we're looking at. I like the look so much more now that I have lashes on. I'm going to line my lips. I'm gonna use button. All right, ColourPop button. Oh, I'm the worst. I'm sorry. I'm addicted. I just love it so much. And then we're gonna put on Chauffer from Revolution. Oldie but a goodie, always. Alright, love, so this is the completed look. It kind of makes me think of the 60s. Maybe it's just my hair and my hoops, but I don't know. I don't know, but this was fun just to sit here and play with makeup. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. Also, please let me know down below what kind of looks you want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. But anyway, we are just going to jump into this. Before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I don't know if you can hear Luna meowing. Oh, she glowing. She glowing. Oh.